Yeah, hi everyone. So today, like for the first time, I am having this BankX open on an expiry. So yeah, you can avoid the very first, let's say, 15 minutes or so on. So yeah, even this one also did not go much, but from here onwards, like this one nicely worked out. This one, so we have BankX expiry today. So someone requested for BankX, so that's why I have opened it. But personally, I do also never traded BankX. And yes, the Sensex expiry. So I hope like these. I mean, though it might look small here because of the screen, so size. But again, these were some of the nice reversals like one could have captured. And also on the left hand side we have our Nifty and Bank Nifty on the scalping mode, so that is also working very nicely. If you see, like I mean almost like with a very high probability it's working out. So if we just start from the very beginning of today, so if you see the scalping mode on Nifty, so 915, so there was a sell signal, and yes, slightly came down, then there was the buy signal again. Let's avoid the very first, let's say 15 minutes. So here you see it nicely came down, then again went up, and this is a scalping mode. Like this much of move is like way enough for scalping. Here you got the 3 sell signals, and in like except this one, these two nicely worked out. And now here you had all these buy signals, it went up, and then again like the sell signals came in, again came down, went up, came down, again went up, and again came down, again went up. So even if you see like very like minute reversals are being caught by the model, and again came down, and one can easily automate this model. So because you can fetch the signals in real time, and you can easily automate it. And again, like, came down again, went up here, and yeah, so again finally this was also very good move, like this one. And yeah, so currently this is the scenario. So this is all model 1, and the scalping is like model 2. And those who missed out the very first part, so you can go and check out the first part live stream. So I was having some problem, some issue with the encoder, so that's why I had to end that earlier one and again start this one. So you can come here and go to the live section, and there you have, like, so this was the first part, like we were already 2 hours 10 minutes in the live stream. And yeah, and after that this one is currently live, and also you can view the past live streams as well, so those who are interested, like, in the indicator. And yeah, so be careful, like the red ones are the US, and the remaining like ones are the Indian market. So and all the live streams on YouTube can never be edited, so anyone having any doubt or question about the indicator's past performance, so you have it there. And also currently you can see live. Okay, so it's not like nothing like I knew what was going to happen today, and that's why I came live. So today is Sensex expiry, so on expiry days market remains volatile. Still we have 1 hour 15 minutes to go. So if you just would like to know how much of position formed here, so that was like the call writing part was 35.9, so 36 CR, and the put buying was deep red, put buying was 17.8, so which is almost 18 CR. Okay, so the strength was 3. Here there was this put writing, so you see the strength is 9. So let's look at the amount. So the amount is 186 CR. Okay, so 186 CR of put writing happened here. If you want to also know the call buying, so it's just in this bar. So it's all written here. So once you hover over the bar, so it's all there, 67.2 CR. Again, this last put writing in Nifty was 68.4 CR, and the call buying was 61.7 CR. So if you enjoyed the reversals, please don't forget to put a like. So since people like don't put a like and encourage, so they just come and enjoy the reversals and they just go away. So that's why I have also like, uh, I mean, reduced my frequency. So because if I am not getting any output from the viewer side, so I think like I would think that it's not helping you all. So that's why there is no point in coming live. So if you think that like I'm coming live and it's some kind of helpful, so please don't forget to put a like. And that too after tracking so many reversals. Even if you see here, right from the top it caught the reversal, and even at this stage also you got the sell signal from Sensex as well. Here also in Nifty also some call writing happened, but it was very small to like generate the signal, the buy or the sell signal. So but in Sensex you got that. So that's why I say like combine Nifty and Sensex. So if somewhere like any signal misses out in I mean you miss out like, or the model misses out any signal at any point, so it might happen that on the other index you are getting the signal. If you have any queries or questions about the indicators, so please do let me know. So I'll be able to explain it live. And give more focus to Sensex, because today we have Sensex expiry. And you saw like they have put a big amount in put writing side. So here 186 CR, and just talking about the put writing, 186 CR and here 68 CR. Okay, so like I mean more than 250 CR of put writing happened just at the same level. Even if you see like the level is also same. And those who are thinking that like you can do the same thing with OI data, so OI data comes every 3 minutes. This is totally live, like you can see it's not like every 3 minutes it's giving you some output. So it's live in real time, it's analyzing how much of call writing, put writing has happened, and also like you see perfectly like almost at the top and bottom it's catching the reversals. And I think like this is the best thing for an option trader, like whether you are an option seller or buyer, doesn't matter, like catching reversals is the best gift an option trader can have. So even I am amazed, like BankX, it's working so nicely. So right there you saw like in Nifty you got it but not in Sensex. So
সে চক্রবুহে আজও বন্দী হয়ে
Yeah, thanks. So even if you like see today morning I posted here, that is Sensex would be taking support here, so you can check out the time like 10 a.m. So like, so this is 10:05, this is 9:47. Okay, so just 2 minutes, I'll be back. Yeah, so in the morning, like I posted here, so this one, like 10 a.m. as you can see, like in Sensex, we got the signal at 9:47, and then the next put writing. So this put writing was almost like so this is amount is 109 cr, and the call buying was 105 cr. So this was a pretty good amount, like. And then the next one came here like 10:05, 10:04. So so that was like one of the reason. And yeah, so that was like one of the reason. And the other reason was like in Nifty, we model 5 we were having these put writers. So as I told you, like in Nifty, whenever or wherever, like model 5 positions, like they tell you the future way ahead, so you have to wait patiently. So that was the thing, like. And Nifty was at around 25,900, and yesterday prop and the FIS, they did put writing. So so together everything like was going as per the analysis, and finally like it took off. Even with this small move, this is not a very small, like this is more than 200, like almost 200. So like when I posted, it was at, like you can see, 500, 84 500, it went up to like 84 700 plus. So it was more than 200 points move. And also currently, like you saw, like this reversal also. So that's why, like I say, to pair up Sensex and Nifty. So you see, like this signal we did not get in Nifty here, but yes, it was here. But again, this one, or maybe like this one, you can see. So it helps you, like overall the accuracy becomes higher. And also you have all these support and resistance lines also. So suppose you have this resistance line and sell signal comes in, so it has a greater probability. So the probability increases. Again, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Yes, boss program. So holidays, or like I mean, IMC is still open. In commodities, like you have currently I have added silver and silver mini, and also I have added natural gas and crude oil. So I'll be also adding gold and gold mini as well. But the main problem is that the option chain is like totally blank or almost blank. Like if you look at, let's say, gold, so MCX gold, so go to the option chain. So tomorrow we have this gold expiry, so I'll be adding it before tomorrow. So on expiry day, you see some trading is happening, but on other days, or like when the expiry starts, so it's totally blank. Like, and you can see the positions like in option chain. So yeah, so the stream is like I don't know why it's lagging, or my encoder is somehow giving problem. Like suddenly after updating OBS, it has started giving this problem. So I don't know why. Internet connection is fine, but I think the encoder is like OBS is giving some problem. I think it will be fine now. Let me just check. Yeah, the stream is lagging. Yeah, I think somehow it's normal now. But YouTube is right now. You saw like in Nifty we had that sell signal and nicely again came down. So if you see the scalping mode, it's good enough for scalping. Like scalpers need 1 or 2 points or 3 points max to max. Again another reversal caught. those who gets to know about the indicator for the very first time, like they see all those videos on my profile, still, I mean, it's hard to believe that how can an indicator catch reversals like from almost top or bottom. So after watching it live, like even if I tell them that, like, see, you have all these past live streams on YouTube, so go and watch them, so like you can easily see the past performance. So it's still it's very hard for them to believe. I've seen that, like, even the live streams also, like, they don't believe, so they want to see it actual live. So that's why I come live, and now you can see, and now you know that there is nothing fake going on. So like, when are you noticing that? Like today it happens, like on Sensex expiry, mostly people are trading in Sensex, so that's why in Nifty you will find out low volumes. But like, do you see that, like, almost, I mean, do you feel that it's happening almost every day? Or today, yes, today it will happen, like not today also, like if you just I mean, if you check, I mean, the earlier Sensex expiry, so mostly on Sensex expiry, Nifty I mean, volume is less, like trading volume. Yeah, that happens, like, because of Sensex expiry and nothing else. Like just watch Sensex, like watch, like, what was happening on Monday. Sensex, the amount, you, like, today you are seeing that here 186 CR of put writing happened and all these things. So usually in Sensex you will see 30 CR, 40 CR, 50 CR, like on the other days, like Friday, Monday, and suddenly, like on the expiry days, you will see like huge 186 CR and 100 CR. Like easily you will see 100 CR, like, or maybe like 60, 70 is normal on an expiry day in Sensex. So that is what happens. Like, people are trading mostly in Sensex, so that's why. But again, like what happens is, like, these buy and the sell signals, like, they come according to the strength. So if, like, low volume is there, so that means, like, I mean, the strength will be compared to those volumes only, like, which are there, like the trading volume present. So the comparison or the strength will be calculated according to the present stage. So that's why, like, whether the volume is more or less doesn't matter. Like, yes, not very less, like some stocks where you don't have much volume or something, but yeah, usually Nifty, I mean, you get volume. So that's why, like, the buy and the sell signals also comes almost perfectly. So I mean, you can see, like, here we got the perfect signals. Even scalping mode is also, like, working fine. Yes, one or two like these will be, like, obviously any model won't work 100% of the time in the stock market. So that is the very first rule of the stock market, that nothing works 100%. So that's why, like, the more accuracy you have with your model, so the better it is. So even if you see here the resistance and the support, so it went up slightly there and again got resistance there at that line and came down. So whenever such things are happening, you can, I mean, relate, or you can join the dots. And from now onwards, like there will be two groups. So one group I have made it like for uh, to divert all these signals like from the model 5. So what happens is sometimes like so many signal comes into the group, so those who don't want the signals, like they feel disturbed. So that's why like uh, I have made another group where only signals or alerts from model 5 and model 1 in Sensex and model 1 in Nifty and model 1 in Bank Nifty and model 5 in Nifty, model 5 in Bank Nifty, model 5 in Fin Nifty and mid cap. So all these signals will be like which were going into the main group, so now they will be going into the other group. And in the main group now I'll be sharing my analysis, my view. Like in the morning I shared and after that like I came live. So how much put writing? So 76.7, so almost 77 CR of put writing happened. And you see like it happened almost, let's say on an average at the level of 84,345, so or 350, and from 84,350 it's now almost at more than 400. So even in Nifty also it happened, but since it's like the quantity is so less that the strength is less than 2, and that's why like since we have selected the strength here to be less than greater than or equals to 2, so if I select now greater than or equals to 1, so more signals will come up. Yeah, so the strength is greater than or equals to 0, so or you can say greater than 0 the strength, but if I do that, so many signals will come up. So that's why like we had to reduce the noise and everything. So M1 so now you see like from almost like 350 it's at 450, so it straight away went up like by 100 points Sensex. So this 76.7 CR of put writing happened, and the call buying amount was 25.9 CR, so 26 CR. Okay, so like people come and say that this is fake and everything, so this is not a smart money position and everything. So whatever it is, like if it's working, so it's working, that's it. Like what do you need? You need something which is working, that's it. Like now one can say anything about it, but one can say anything, like one can just use an average line and say that like these are smart money levels and everything, but you have to see like whether something is leading or something is working for you or not. Yeah, so now you can see like here we got that signal. So when I made the strength, now you would say that the strength is 2, then why did not it come up when you had the strength greater than or equals to 2? So basically what happens is like it rounds off. Okay, so like it might be like the strength might be like 1.7. Okay, so like I did not make the strength in decimals because then it would be looking very bad. So to make it look clean, so I had to like round it off. So that's why like it might be like 1.7 which is getting rounded off to 2. But when I'm selecting 2, the strength greater than or equals to 2, then it won't show up because it's not actually 2. So it's rounded off to 2. So it's all up to you if you think that you like you can handle so many signals on the chart. So it's all up to you. You have the settings, you know what like is what, and so you can customize it on your own. Like I try to keep my chart as simple as possible, as clean as possible. So accuracy is like stock market or what? Which one are you? Oh, accuracy. Yeah, in commodities, accuracy, I am not that much impressed. Like, why? The reason is very simple because option chain is like almost empty. So, mostly like people trade in futures. Yeah, after 3 p.m., like just neglect it because after 3 p.m. for especially for option buyers is not good. Option sellers you can trace levels and write options, but again it's better to avoid after 3 p.m. especially for option buyers, and that too on an expiry day. So yes, the main point is that accuracy is not that like how we are getting it here because just because of one reason, the option chain data is not like volume is very less. Volume means the traded volume, I mean. So very less. Like, so what happens is like I mean, if a retail trader only takes a little bit of huge quantity, so the model I mean takes it that this is a smart money. Okay, so why? Because the volume is so less. Like I just showed you, like in gold only you can see like I mean almost the strike prices are like empty. So I mean you can very well see like, and the expiry is just tomorrow, and you can see here 2. The volume is just 2. Here it's nil. So I mean here it's 4. So you can see like it's I mean almost empty. So that's why like so basically like any model works best when you have a large amount of data set. So if you give like so less data, so like the definition of smart money there changes, right? But still I mean we are getting, not it's not that bad also, but yes, like like people who have been following me, they know that it's not about like I just want to sell my indicator and just I say that anything and just make I mean sell it, like, so it's not like that. Like I I completely like tell you what and how things are working, and after that, like, it's your decision. Like here I'm showing you live how things are, and after that, like, it's your decision that if you think it works for you, then you can opt for it, otherwise. So it's not like I am coming after the market hours and claiming that, see, my indicator did this, that, uh, and never coming live and showing it to you. So yes, it's not possible to come live every day, but again, once you see it live, then you know that like all the videos or all the screenshots that I'm posting are not fake. Like the indicator is really capable of tracking reversals from almost top or bottom. Yeah, so talking about like for example, let's say here this is crude oil. Okay, so this is the accuracy, like this is model 1, as you can see. So this is model 1, and yeah, so this is how it's working like there. And here I have also seen that since volume is very less, so also the buying positions also sometimes like makes a good uh, like impact. Okay, so this is how it is like. And yes, one more thing is like it slightly gives better results on expiry days. Like I posted on the silver expiry day, if you can go and check out. So yes, slightly better results, I think, because that day many people are trading, so that's why like more data is coming into the model, and that's why like it's giving a little bit higher accuracy on the expiry days. So I think like people will start trading. I mean, because I mean, you can see Nifty, Bank Nifty trading volume has gone down by like within 1 year. Trading volume has gone down heavily. So people will try to shift somewhere. So I think for now they are shifting it to crypto. Then they will also try to shift to MCX. And so yeah, today's expiry, like I was like almost there. Like from the morning, I posted there at 10 a.m. Okay, and then that move happened, and then I came live 10:43 a.m. and from that point onwards, I have been live. Yeah, in between the first live, uh, there was some I mean problem, and then again I initiated another one. But yes, so today almost the whole of the day I was live, and I hope you are. Oh, QQQ, all those are US. So yes, US market it's again working fine. So I have also posted many. I have done many live streams also on the US market. So these red ones, if you see, and also like if you see, like go and check out. I have posted also. So like yesterday, if you see here, so like see here Apple like. So this buy signal did not work, but this sell signal and again this buy signal. So anyways, like I posted videos also, screenshots also for SPY. So they have daily expiries like SPY, SPX, NDX. Then you have QQQ. So daily they have those 0DT. So yeah, and yes, I mean it works there. It works nicely there. But you cannot trade in US options. Like directly you can't trade. So indirectly you can trade like those binary option platforms. So there you can trade US options, but those are very risky, very risky. Because they give you such high leverage and then it easily blows your account, and moreover like those are not something like real trades. Okay, so those are trades like being placed on those platforms, not those trades are not going through the exchange, those binary platforms that you have. Okay, so be careful about those platforms. But yes, if you have any US friend or if you know someone having uh, living in the US, having account, so might be like you can talk to them if you are interested in trading US options. But you cannot do that with Indian money because that is illegal. So all those like there are other platforms like I think Xness or something, like people are I personally haven't visited their website also, but I saw some people like they're spreading these platforms like Xness or something is the name. So maybe for crypto trading or like US market trading also. So I mean be very careful, like if they are binary platforms, so they will give you high leverage and they take trades on their platform only, so that means they are betting against you, and your account gets blown I mean easily. So it's not like that, I mean and also like they have their stock options also expire every week on Friday. On every Friday, like they have those stock options, like our stocks expire once a month, so their stock options also like expire every Friday. So they have a lot of options like for expiry. So every day 0DT, and not in 0DT they are having so many options. Then there is gold also. Gold means like this GLD. So this also has like very near expiry, like you can see like almost 2 days after it has one expiry. Okay, so But yes, the option chain is not that, like, liquidity issue might be there, but the main ones are like QQQ, SPY, SPX, and Nasdaq NDX. So yes, there is also another thing, like people are saying Zerodha will allow trading in US market. No, it's like you can buy stocks, but you can't trade. You can't trade options. Yes, you can buy and sell stocks, like that can happen, but you cannot trade. So these last put writers also nicely defended their positions in Sensex 76.7. Again, if you think that the indicator is worth it, so don't forget to put a like, and if you want to opt for it, so you can just directly go to my website, and whichever plan suits you, you can make the payment, and you will be added within 5 to 10 minutes after making the payment. Again, like, it's better avoid the scalping mode after 3 p.m., and also, like, better avoid the first 30 minutes or 15 minutes right at the start. Yeah, 5 minutes are left, and I don't think like within 5 minutes we'll be getting something big. But yeah, people also are leaving. So, anyways, I'll end it here. So I've been live throughout the day. So last 5 minutes I don't think it matter much. So yeah, so thanks for coming live, and yeah, see you in the next one. And again, if you want the indicator, you can go to the website and make the payment and get it on your charts. And yeah, so that's it for today. And if the live stream was helpful, so don't forget to put a like. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.